How to order a credit card replacement on your Citizens Bank. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can order a new credit card to replace a damaged or lost credit card. So to do that, first of all, launch the Citizens mobile banking app on your mobile device and then simply log into your account. Now once you've logged in, simply tap on the three horizontal lines on the top left corner of your screen. After that, tap on the third option, which is Manage Cards, and then it will basically provide you two different options, credit cards and debit cards. So since we are here to order a credit card replacement, we'll tap on the option credit cards. After that, you will see the list of all of the different credit cards you have on your Citizens Bank. Simply select the card which you'd like to replace, and once you've done that, you can basically see the option called replace card right over here. Simply choose the option or choose why you are replacing this card. It may be that your card is damaged, your card was lost or stolen, or you never received the card. So I'll simply go with the option damaged, and then you will be taken to the review order page where you can see the details such as reason for replacement, the address where you will get your new card, the shipping, etc. Now once you're okay with all of these, tap on the option replace card, and there you have it. So that is basically how you order a credit card replacement on your Citizens Bank online banking account. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.